The meaning of dyslexia is the unexpected difficulty learning to read, write, and spell. A child with dyslexia just has a very difficult time looking at that printed text and making sense of it.
Oh, when you're bad at something and you start to think it's not fun, but when you start to excel in it, you think you're getting better and it gets more fun.
The Reading Center really knows how to teach them. They have a strong Orton Gillingham base, which many other tutoring programs don't have.
I have used Orton Gillingham every single day, and I've never had a student that it did not work for.
I think what the children get out of the Reading Center is they are given such hope and they are given such confidence.
And then when they open up and they find out that they can do these things.
And to hear, why didn't someone teach me this before?
What the Reading Center does works. It changes their lives.
In the heart of Rochester, Minnesota, you'll find this hidden treasure, the Reading Center. For 60 years, this nonprofit organization has been turning around the lives of over 7,000 children and individuals who struggle to read. Co-founders Paula Rome and Jean Osmond developed their specialized tutoring program using proven methods that help those with dyslexia achieve success and fulfill their dreams.
We typically see parents come to the Reading Center because they just don't understand why their very bright children are struggling learning to read.
They start to think that they're stupid or that they are less intelligent than their peers, and that can cause them to have low self-esteem and feel very badly about themselves.
The good news is that the Reading Center knows how to provide that appropriate intervention.
Early intervention can make a huge difference. There's lots of ways to get information into your brain. You can get it through your ears or through your eyes or through touch or through the shapes of your mouth. And so we use all of those pathways if we can, because it makes it easier for kids to remember.
The children learn to write the letters and say the sounds and feel the difference, and it's kinesthetic, with an arm and muscle kinesthetic and the mouth working together.
The Reading Center uses an empirically validated approach to teaching reading. The Orton Gillingham approach has been researched across the country and is well known to work for children with dyslexia.
The reason it works is because it breaks down the written language into the smallest possible parts, the individual sounds. So it breaks it down and then it puts it back together in a very structured and a sequential way that sticks with kids, and it sticks with kids and adults because it's multisensory.
All the way around. You wouldn't believe the gains that they make.
I had known about the Reading Center professionally as a child psychologist. When my own son started to face difficulties with reading, I knew exactly where to go.
Friends were going up into small chapter books with 2 or 3 small chapters. Well, I was back in the Bob books.
Huge, enormous change. He went from barely being able to read to reading chapter books with no difficulty.
I feel especially proud when I'm done with the books. When I get done with the book, I'm like, wow, I've read another really long book.
My family is who they are today because of the Reading Center. Our kids have thrived. My husband has thrived. He's now the director of transplant at Mayo Clinic, and none of that potential would ever have been unlocked if the Reading Center wouldn't have started helping us.
I think the most rewarding part is being able to train the teachers.
The infusion program is when the Reading Center sends a teacher into the school to train the teachers how to infuse the Orton Gillingham approach into what they're already doing in the classroom. It's what the students need. And what teachers, when teachers do learn it, they go, nobody ever taught me this.
I think the goal for the Reading Center is that we would like to be a model, not only for education in Minnesota, but we can actually be a model for education throughout the United States.
The Reading Center gave me the skills that I needed, and I was able to pass them on to students, and now I hope to pass that on to teachers.
The Reading Center is a gold mine, and the Reading Center has been here for 60 years, and what we are doing works.
It's the future of our kids. It's the future of our community.
Seeing the success of the children when they can finally read.
Everywhere I look, there's words and I can read them in a flash like that.
That's That's huge. Huge reward.